In this video, you will see how to type plus or minus symbol on Mac. You can also type minus plus symbol on your MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. What you have to do is just go to the edit option, and at the bottom here you will see the emoji and symbols option. This option is used for inserting the symbol. After clicking on this option, you will see this emoji window. Just click on this icon to expand the window, and under the match symbols here, you will see the plus, minus and minus plus symbol. You just have to click on it one time, and then you can see the variations here. You can just double click on any one of the sign to insert it into the document. You can also access this emoji window by pressing Ctrl Command Spacebar on your Mac keyboard to access this window quickly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.